12 o'clock. A metal pole. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at the 128 over here, because why not? We drove an hour and a half just to see something in short alert. Why not make the best out of it? So yeah, there it is. That thing's big.
That's beautiful.
Oh my God, that's probably so beautiful when it goes off.
I think I actually have 3-phase 240 volt at my grandfather's house.
Hey, lucky you. Oh my God, the sun. But you can kind of see the antenna up there. It's like right there. It's like rusty, kinda. Here's the batteries. I don't know. We're at Siren number
Siren number
109. So, and there's the STL over there, so yeah. And there's Roma Pizza Shop.
And then the
Here's the flagpole. We're here at Citizens Fire Company.
next time I come up here, then I'm gonna go get Oberlin.
Yeah, I'm not getting Oberlin. The only reason I'm not getting Oberlin is because Luke already recorded it like 3 times.
Okay, so what'd you say you were doing after this?
I was gonna go and watch some trains, like probably some Norfolk Southern and
Yeah, same. I want to do that. Where are you going?
I don't know.
Alright, bye guys.
Skinny thing, the very fat skinny thing.
Wow, I almost quit. Oh, it looks the best in the bed.
This is a Mars 88.
They have the rare Mars thing. Whatever that is. What even it, I don't even know what it's for.
They have the Mars 888.
Mars 888. Pretty epic.
717 serial number. Model TV8.
Yeah, that's pretty epic.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Hi, we are in Highspire, Pennsylvania to see the STL 10. I met up with 3 people. Well, me and Baltimore Sirens were going to. Can we turn on the lights? This is too dark. I need some better. It looks like I'm too zoomed.
Here's our number 50.
Here's the
Here's a Q2B.
no fires.
That scared me.
I think that's the pager. Here's the Q2B. I'm gonna touch it because I can.
Yeah, I want to
Model Q2B, 12 volt 2D. I don't know.
something. I'll try and read it. Serial number. I'm sorry, I can't.
That's pretty epic. There's the air horn. I don't know. Here's the supply hoof. This is an older Seagrave. It's an engine.
Imagine if the STL went off the fire.
Oh gosh, sorry.
It's a Q2B SC.
Looks like it's engine. And then that's the rest squad. So at this station, it looks like they run a squad and an engine, and they also run a is that a ladder? This one has a Q2B as well.
It's like weirdly, it's weird. It's like,
Yeah, I've seen that. Oh, I like those things. They're cool. And then let's go back and see this is.
Ripping this engine down, getting parts off.
Oh, they're getting parts off of this old. It looks like an old tanker or an engine. No, it's an engine.
this is
I can't imagine these things are very cheap when you gotta buy a new one though.
They have snacks though. Oh, we need air.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Pretty epic.
Can we go see the controls for the fire siren?
This is it right here, bud.
Wait, what?
This is all you get.
What's that?
Oh, it's a...
That's pretty
I
epic.
want to touch it so bad.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I want to touch it.
No, don't do it.
Look, look. There's a
Generator.
generator. We got 240 volt, I think, right here.
240 volt.
And then
That's epic.
yeah, they have 240.
I want to see the STL 10. It's winding down. That thing is like the best bearings in the world. Oh, sorry for my shaky recording. Because I'm running. Because I'm running as fast as I can to see this. That just sounds like a speaker stuck. That's the electric.
Fire call. I want to do a tapping on.
Well, that's. I wonder if they run fast way or attack. Probably attack.
I'm sweating now. Remember Easton? They do like fast wheel.
Yeah. No, I think they do attack.
No, I don't think that's Talbot. I think that's Caroline County.
Yeah, Caroline County does fast wheel.
The last time I went there, I saw 322 and it only did stop for
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
Same.
Yeah, I already saw the streamer and it's in Easton.
I'm gonna.
I want to go get the Type B.
Oh yeah, that thing's epic.
Oh, yeah.
It's like 19. Yeah, it's 1920.
AC, pretty epic.
Get me back in the fire department. I just want to see right now.
Speakers under there. Let's do it. Here it looks like we have contactors for the siren.
No, it's like let's like the lights for.
I think this is the fuse box.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a fuse box.
That's the plugs for the battery charger and the air ejection. First aid kit. Got washing machines for the crews. Oh, it's a speaker. But that would probably be used for. Oh my god, it does. That looks like a siren.
Does anyone want to stand in the fan?
Yeah. And then there's that room of I don't even know.
There's like 4.
Here's a draw hose for a leak.
There's some lights, some random lights.
Light beacons probably from the engine.
Whatever that thing is.
I think that's a fire.
Yeah, I think that's a hose.
Yeah.
Where all have you guys been so far? Firehouse wise.
Here's the Arlington Fire Hall. We've been to Level Fire Hall from Maryland.
Oh, okay, okay.
Arlington in Maryland, level.
So thanks for watching.
16 port or what is
I don't even know.
What, the cube?
Yeah,
I don't even know, to be honest. It's a whole federal off that thing.
we can count
I
it.
just heard a defect detector.
Let me open the...
Here, we can count it.
I just heard a defect.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think it's 16. I don't know. It might be 16. I'm gonna get.
As long as you don't stab the cube too bad, I'll pull it out. You can hit it on this.
Oh!
Oh, we get to hit the.
Yeah, just don't go crazy. That's all I have.
We can hit the button to do the stuff.
You guys record.
Wait, I think he's gonna drive the truck.
Yeah, I'll pull it out in the front ramp.
officer's chair, I think. It's on the officer.
Button here.
Like I said, just don't kill it for too long.
Just press it.
Press it down.
It's not working. Siren failure.
Siren failure unit, 22B fire truck.
Alright, hold on.
22B does not work anymore.
Maybe the battery switch is not on.
We have a failure of 22B.
Yeah, I think it has.
These guys will start stopping in traffic. That's all you
It looks like it's going slow on video, but it's actually going fast.